Today I am talking about something special about these stocks. These stocks trade at this moment $175 and these stocks give today's return. Here you can see 1.87%. In the last 5 days these stocks gain approximately 21%, which is very good return. Okay, these stocks gain market valuation 21%. In the last 1 month these stocks gain 34%. Last 6 months approximately as it is the same, 1 month and 6 month return. Year to date return only 4% return. But if you see last 1 year, that is 0% approx, 4% negative return. Hey, I am not telling you to buy or sell these stocks. I just break down the numbers so you can decide smarter. Here you can see how much return these stocks make in the last 1 year, and last 5 years these stocks gain approximately 600% market valuation. Or here you can see how much return these stocks make in last whole return, 1800% return these stocks make. That means if you invest $1000 in the stocks from starting, your money will become at this moment $18,000. So what do you think about these stocks? Please comment below, and always do your own research before investing. Follow for more stocks breakdown.